Looks like my suspicions were correct. Look at that. That's all fatwood. Look how resonant that is. Look how resonated that is right there. Big time fatwood. That whole trunk is probably nothing but fatwood. But since this is on somebody's property and I don't have permission to take out the stump, I guess I won't mess with it right now. But I'm coming back for that eventually. I did manage to get me a piece of that fatwood off of that tree, and actually, look at it, it's really resonated. This right here is actually what drew my attention to it, all that damn dry sap right there. If it wasn't for that, I'd have probably walked right past it. But I got a good chunk of it. Maybe I'll come back and talk to the ranch owner and see if I can't cut that section of the tree off and get that fatwood. Okay, so let's get to the real reason for this video. I'm going to show you guys how to properly sharpen a chainsaw. So what you do, you choose your file, and for this saw I'm going to use a 3/16 file. You just take it like this, you put it in here like this, you push up. I usually do 3, and then you just take the chain, you move it to the next one. All the way down, all the way around the chain. Okay, and then when you go all the way around, you're going to turn the saw like this, and you're going to go back this way. So that's how you properly do a chainsaw. Just forward. Make sure it's angled all the way in. Make sure you get that whole groove, just like that. One stroke forward, then you lift it a little bit. Don't drag it backwards. There you go. You're not going to do anything but ruin the file that way, buddy.
Yeah, like last time when you broke it.
And that's how you properly sharpen a chainsaw. Thanks for watching.